Get paid up to $300 in 1 hour by simply watching videos. I will show you up to 5 brand new websites and programs that pay you to view online videos in this little video. Additionally, I'll show you exactly how I made my first $200, $300, or even $500, so you can follow along from wherever you are in the globe. Because this method is free, watch to the end to learn about these 5 websites and apps that will help you increase your revenue. Here we begin. Number 5. FeaturePoints.com. I'm going to introduce to you FeaturePoints.com, a service that lets you make money online by viewing videos. There are various ways to make money online, including contests, surveys, videos, and cashback. In this video, we want to focus on the most efficient, straightforward, and lucrative one, seeing video. Enter your email address here and select Sign Up to register. You can complete this on a computer or a mobile device, but I want you to pay close attention since I'll need to get into my account first to show you how. After that, you can give it a try. This is my account and my name. As you can see, I regularly withdraw a sizable sum of money daily from this website, and I am still profitable. To start making money, you just need to leave the video playing in the background. I can earn money without having to do anything by letting the video run in the background or even observe it. I'll give you an example by selecting PayPal as my preferred withdrawal option. Then, simply clicking Redeem Rewards will prompt me to confirm purchasing this price for 3,000 points, leaving me with a total of 5,000 points. Please confirm that your email address matches your PayPal account after withdrawing. I'll click here to purchase the reward, enter my password twice, and then hit Submit. As you can see above, my points have just been decreased by 3,000 points, and $5 will soon be transferred to my PayPal account after processing your award. So, follow this very easy approach to withdraw your money. Number 4. AppNana. You can download AppNana, the second app, to an iOS or Android device. You may do various things here, such as play games, complete surveys, view films, and use Nana's point system to get points. As you can see, earning Nanas can be converted into money that can be used in various methods, including making purchases with PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfers, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. You may also enroll in the referral program to earn even more money. Click this link to sign up. You'll be taken to a page where you can fill out all the necessary information. Then you can post the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other websites if you'd like. It's that simple. Pass this along to a friend to create a second revenue stream while you watch the videos on your own to create the first. Number 3. MyPoints.com. I like this because you can sign up for a free account and receive a $10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like that? Amazingly, they give you a $10 welcome bonus without asking you to do anything. Now all you have to do is click the Join Now button, enter your email address, and set a password. You may use this app to earn money in various ways, and watching videos is one of them. If you follow me through to the finish, I'll show you the types of videos you should watch because they all pay you differently. Some pay you more than the others, while others pay you a smaller payment. Watch to the end to find out which videos to concentrate on. Number 2. App Trailers. This program has enjoyed enormous popularity for years, and they have consistently updated and posted new versions. I'll now give you advice on how to make much more money quickly. View at least 3 to 5 videos at once. First, consider these rankings. Given that many other programs only receive about 3 stars, and this one receives more than 4, the rating of 4.2 out of more than 42,000 reviewers is astounding. Several positive remarks about the users themselves. Number 1. Creation Rewards. You might get $10 as an incentive for signing up. Once more, by utilizing this app, you can earn money and gift cards by watching movies, so you also receive a sign-up bonus and $10 from them. But I want to make sure that you know that this software has been around since 2000, which is a very long period. For 18 years, they have given their members rewards. Once more, there are numerous activities you can engage in, such as paid surveys, movie watching, internet browsing, online buying, offer completions, and introducing friends and family. I prefer to watch videos and occasionally browse websites because they are all really simple to use even if you have never used them before. Remember that daily prices are right here at the top when you log in using your phone. This displays a list of all the well-known, significant brands contained within a single app. Make sure you click on that to receive your daily price because they always give you a bonus of extra money when you log into your dashboard in the morning. Once again, make sure to log in daily to redeem your rewards because after doing so for a month, they will unlock additional movies for you to view, enabling you to earn even more bonus cash. Let us know your views in the comments below. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.